Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2010 Ford Ranger XL dual cab ute, stock reference number 4924. This shape runs from the 4th month 2009 through to the 6th month 2011. It has a WEAT 3 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic rear-wheel drive transmission. WEAT 3 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine with the grey radiator grille, left-hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage. Left front 15-inch steel rim with an average tyre, left power door mirror, left guard has one small dent, left door has one small dent, left rear door has 5 small dents, right rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre, right tail light, tidy bumper cover, factory tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom, tailgate has multiple small dents, right hand tail light, right rear 15-inch steel rim with an average tyre, and right front 15-inch steel rim with an average tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, single plug type. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic center console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, factory 6-stack CD player, interior mirror, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and an instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.